sing for me? Can you sing my favorite song, please?
Someday, when I'm awfully alone, when the world is cold.
Come on, say hi. It's a date day today. We're in Alabang.
Saan tayo kakain?
Sushi Ninja!
Your?
My favorite Japanese restaurant.
Layo.
Thanks, hon.
Then after that, saan tayo pupunta?
After that, we'll check in sa Vivere Hotel.
We're gonna stay there for 2 nights and 3 days, and then after that, we're going straight to Bataan.
Oo nga, meron kasi siyang event.
And then check in again. Then event, work, side hustle tayo dyan. Tapos after naman nun, we're gonna go home. And after that, the next day, check in ulit tayo sa Makati para sa wedding anniversary naman ng parents ko.
Ang dami naming ganap.
Shit!
Chichet! Bakit parang nangangarate ka?
Meron ako nag-Chinese garter. Ako yung mommy. Pili na ay bata pa. Sabi niya, But check, we're so different.
Yan nga eh.
Mo.
Tayo nag-match.
Head to toe.
Black and white. Here na tayo sa Sushi Ninja! Yay! My favorite Japanese restaurant, guys.
Sushi.
As in, dumadayo pa talaga kami ng Alabang just for this restaurant because it's the best. Tapos sabang mura pa. Tayo ka namin tao kasi it's a Sunday. Yung favorite kong ordering guys sa Kuramaki. So it has yung tamago, yung egg, tapos may salmon. Sabi na, may lalaki ng salmon, tapos meron pang cream cheese. Ang salmon! Udon! I like your food. Yum! Ito naman guys, tawag ito ang Wenji Maki. So, merong
Kani!
honey, and then tempura, and then mango on top.
It's just too much.
Mura ng ano eh. Maki, 500 lang. Tapos yung 540 yung ano. Sakura Maki. So guys, we made it to our room!
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, ate.
Please enjoy your stay.
Ang ganda naman ng sumalubong sa akin.
Enjoy your room po.
Guys, room tour! Room tour!
So this one,
Wow!
you eat food here or
Yes.
hang out with your friends or your family.
Yan, mirror number 1.
Dami salamin
Ang
dito.
dami salamin.
Kung vain ka, sobrang perfect na
Perfect
to.
sa'yo to.
Kwartong to.
Meron pa dito, oh. Nalagpasan natin. Mirror
Meron pa
number
rin dito.
2. Meron din ba? May teddy bear pang kasama.
Gift ko na yan sa'yo, ma'am.
I thank you po. Ate. And this is the view from our hotel. Kaso lang reflection after.
Nasa ano tayo?
Yeah, oh my God, sobrang taas.
Nasa 29.
That's Alabang right there.
Labang bang.
Alabang bang.
So here, ma'am, you can watch Netflix, YouTube, Smart TV.
It's a smart TV.
Yes. Pero mas smart ka pa rin.
Nakakainis.
And dito sa first floor, of course, may toilet and bathroom.
Oh, meron na rin dito shower.
So, may shower siya dito.
Oh, kompleto.
Hindi lang siya powder room.
It's like a shower room talaga. Nice.
So, may mini kitchen din tayo.
At napakadaming salamin. Sobrang daming salamin. Kasi mga cabinets. Oo nga, no? may reflection ng...
So,
True. Yes, and then complete na para sa coffee, and then may ref na rin. Para siyang mini condo, no? Mini condo. Oh, but wait, there's more. May salamin na naman. Sa loft type na unit. Ang laki talaga na in fairness. I think unit condo. Nag-ano na ba tayo? Naghahanap na ba tayo ng condo? But wait again, there's more! Charot! Ang condo ay ang condo. Ang hotel na napakadaming mirrors. And then, may mirror na naman dito. Parang everywhere you go, may mirror, no? So, this is the first room.
The master's bedroom.
Wow! Laki. Yes. And you can also enjoy the view from up here. Taas! Oh, wow! Ang ganda! This is for you. Wow! Binibentahan mo na ba ako? Ang galing ng sales agent ko. Oh, para at least pwede na ganyan yung mga gamit, ganyan. Tapos meron pa rin ditong space for like your maleta or other clothes. And tinan mo, meron bathtub! Cool! May salamin na naman. And may shower din. Maliban sa bathtub, guys, may shower. Ang ganda naman. Hi ka ulit sa salamin.
Salamin.
Oo nga.
Para ano yan? Oh,
Para lumaki. Di ba may ganon?
Oo, para magmukhang malaki.
Spacious. Meron pa second room. Yan. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang salamin. Malaki rin siya actually. Pwede dito maglatag, no? I mean, mag-add ng extra bed. Yay! Thank you for the complimentary cake! Yum! Never na ka nag-stop kumain. May chocolate sa taas.
Damot ka pa. Nagdadamot ka pa.
Kaya, he's mine. What to do? Yummy, nun. Yay! Thank you for the cake. Hi! Sobrang chill ng place dito. Coffee and nachos with Mahali while she's working. While working.
Wow. Wow.
Pusa.
Kapag na-sweet.
Ala. Hindi man lang ako tiniran. Kala ko share tayo kasi malaki yung chip. Hindi ko nga binibigay eh. Pinagdambot yung isang chip. Sarap. Yamoy.
Mami.
Yay! Thank you, Casa Kebab, for sending these. Yummy! 3, 2, 1. Wow! Wow, ang dami. Grabe. Sobrang nakakatakam naman yan. So, may kebab, may chicken, tas may beef kebab, tas chicken. Oh my gosh! Thank you so much, Casa Kebab, for our late dinner. Wow! Sarap! I can't wait to eat!
Oh my gosh.
Guys, buti na lang meron microwave dito sa Vivere Hotel. Very convenient kasi kanina pa actually pinadeliver tong kebab. So, yay!
Kaya kaming nagbabay pa.
Oh, no! Bye-bye talaga. Good morning, guys! Good morning, hon! Are you excited to work out?
Yes, and I'm excited to eat.
Hindi pa tayo nagsastart, excited ka na agad kumain. But guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung gym ng Vivere Hotel. Oh my God, in fairness ha, kasi kompleto yung mga equipments nila. So, na-excite na ako mag-workout. Ito rin guys, meron din silang weights section. So yan, kompleto yung dumbbells, tapos may kettle. Ano ba itong tawag dito?